Picture it. It's Sunday morning and you wake up feeling for something nice. You don't really want to cook and you begin to think of where you can go. You don't want a fancy schmancy sit down with knife and fork and plate sort of an affair. And you don't want anything too basic either. But let me not get ahead of myself. I have some trivia questions I want to ask. First question. Who comes to mind when you hear the name Dorothy Smith? Do you have your answer? Hold on to it for a second. What about when you hear song titles like Work a Man? Think about it. Dip and Fall Back, Family Affair, Queen of the Pack, and you must know this one, Romantic Call. If you guessed Patra for both questions, you would be absolutely correct. Those of us who were rocking along with dancehall in the 90s would know her more popularly as Queen Patra. Listen, there was no party that you could go to in the 90s where you would not hear one of her hits blasting from the stereo system. None. Some persons might be wondering, Queen Patra, yes, she was a big dancehall artist, but where is she now? What is she up to? Well, the same way that she was burning up the dancehall is the same way she's now burning up the kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen, listen. Chateau 7 Gourmet Jerk Center, that is where you need to find yourself one of these days, especially on a Sunday morning. She opened in March 2015, about 5 years ago, and ever since then she has been churning out mouth-watering, belly-filling, finger-licking good food. We're gonna show you some of it in a bit, so don't worry about that. Some of you who live in the Stony Hill area, because that's where we're heading now, you have passed this place and you did not even know it existed. I'm not asking, I'm telling. We know for a fact, but we're not going to call any names. You know yourselves that you're guilty, right? Anyway, a little way down the road, you would have seen where we left Constant Spring and we passed a couple stoplights and things, and we got to that fork in the road. The left fork takes you to Old Stony Hill Road and the right fork is Long Lane. Stay right. That's where we are now, on Long Lane. That dip, that not a dip really, it's that really deep hairpin curve, that bend. When we get there, you're going to find out where Chateau 7 Jerk Center is. We're approaching it, so now you want to begin slowing down. Slow down, you know traffic always coming down the hill, slow down. All right, you're gonna go right. Where are you going? You're not listening, you know. I said go right. Now we're going to have to go up the road and turn and come back down. Take your time when you're turning as well, man. Take your time. Yes, come down. There you go. Now look to the left. Yes, that group of trailers that you see right there, that's where we're going. Pull over. You're now at Chateau 7 Gourmet Jerk Center.
Respect every time. Check this out. This is, I'm looking about your what do you call it now? Your steamed lobster. So we had to remove it from the shell. Alright. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the hot and sexy in it.
Come on now.
Sexy
I'm
food.
ready.
Right, so enjoy your fritters. That's when come back.
Yes, man.
They're what, the lobster fritters. Just in case you were wondering what that was, it's fritters. But not just any fritters, lobster fritters. And we're not talking about essence of lobster, you can actually see the lobster chunks. Take a look at what the rest of the menu is like. Full up your eye. If you guys can smell it through the screen, this steamed lobster, you need to come and get it for yourself. Not to mention the roti. This roti made on the spot. Ackee and saltfish with callaloo. Yeah, I know that we know that combination, but I don't think anyone does it quite like Patra. Listen, I have to save this one for last, you know. You see this pork? This pork is a special pork. It's a pork with a difference. And I'm so sorry that we only ordered this one because you have another one that's curried. Y'all have to come and check that one out as well. But you see this pork here. This pork is not pork that is made and sitting down waiting on you to come. This pork is fresh off the flames. And you see that sauce? Yeah man, everything good to go. If you want to find out more about Chateau 7 Gourmet Jerk Center, check the description below. Until next time, eat good.